Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about the second small cap stock where Dolly Khanna has silently acquired 1.07% stake during the last quarter. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Muthoot Capital Services Limited, which is available at 1039.30 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is MUTHOOTCAP. Now Muthoot Capital Services Limited is a deposit taking non-banking financial company. If you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would see that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend throughout the year. The market cap of the company is 1709.39 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 32.64 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 31.84, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 35.63. The book value of 239.51 translates into a price to book ratio of 4.34, which is however a bit on the higher side. The debt to equity here is 3.5286, which is also a bit on the higher side, whereas the return on equity is 0.1877. The company does not pay out any dividends, and the promoter holding here is a strong number at 62.50. Also friends, a factor to note here is that this company is not very far away from its 52-week high of 1129, which indicates that this company has withstood the mayhem that has been there in the market currently. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also, this is the second small cap buy which Dolly Khanna has had during the last quarter, and the link to the other video we are providing in the information section. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.